record, so he gave a current. What on you see anyway, but anyway. Right, so shin kiss over the care. Well, on and you kill us. Yeah, right, from Drake G kiss over the quick. Right, so kiss over the quick. Lay more quick doing shin yan to let the hot. 100 kg. Right, so the mass M equals 100 kg, right? Okay. Right. Right, so race for the ton. So ten leu or the reading are on scale. Cosmic like J. So shin and grad knee is the normal reaction. Grad knee GN I have to O knee GN I have to O MHU for that. Okay, now so ten force the omland. So Jason force the omland Galway cosmos. Mass medifa. Force equals mass by acceleration. So reach mass medifa acceleration. Okay, now my has within your lab punch every hint. Did you have for the hint yanto?
Scale reads, you find the reading on it when the left is at rest.
When the left is at rest, when you left the bug with the harity. So therefore when you're going the weight nabe. So Jin man take a fat. So the mehan cause my mass by gravity. So it's 100 grams. 100 kilograms made the fat 9.8. So fregre no here darkmo Newton. We're on the new kilo 980 newtons. Okay? Jin so that your Nyacha bogadi so acceleration a bit. Right, he can it's just gravity. Part of the door to journey. Steady speed, so reach acceleration is 0. So the acceleration cosmos 0, so reach is going to be 980 newtons. So reach therefore just the tension is equal to 980 newtons. Okay? Right, Miha, make it. He can So in acceleration 0. So reach when you part every 3 A is equal to 0, so reach the tension must be 980. So therefore your tension is 980 newtons. Okay, we shall go okay lasha. Because there's 0 acceleration. Do you get you? Right, here can I leave. Right, so I got Sabala, right? So therefore an acceleration cosmos 3 meters a second carrying Sabala. Right, so therefore J high speed is the tension must be greater than the weight. Because when you come what they got Suez at an acceleration your tension must be greater. So test good that your tension is greater than the weight. Your weight is 980. So can you operate machinima? It's 3 by 100. So reach 3 modified equals 3 head Newton plus 980 Newton. Because obviously because there's a God says it has to add. Do you get your kite so very soon to get do. Mile head arc more Newton. Okay, so it's 1280 newtons. We say okay, listen. Yeah, right, Molly, hey can quick. So time shot 3 meters per second squared she's a bala. Now she's a bala, that means the weight is greater than the tension. So the weight is greater than the tension at time shot. So reach to the goal 980 minus 3 hit. What's an okay again? Right, you to figure that. She here Dartmouth Newton. What's you follow handy for showing us? Yeah, right. Daniel. VI. What VI on? Up or down? 9.8 kg. So acceleration downward. So raised to A corresponding 9.8 meters per second squared she Sabala. Okay, so that means the weight must be greater, or in this case equal to the greater than the tension, so therefore it's 980 minus 980, because it is to got K meter for 9.8 is 980, so figure is 0 newtons. Motion okay again, is it Molly? Yep, right. Right, the mark has to shade do us. Molly.
When a tennis ball struck by a rocket, its momentum changes by 2.25 kg per second in a certain direction. If the ball is in contact with the rocket for 0.05 seconds, what is the average force exerted by the rocket on the ball?
What's the average force? Right, so reached in formula. So the force Kajumla Rete Arrow Newton's second law. Rete Arrow momentum. Rete Arrow momentum. Force is equal to the rate of change of momentum. Jyn arrow vis y momentum yn sy'n sugest. Fi cael ddilio rhys. 2.25. Right. So rhys, how do we find the rate of change of anything it's over? Ran to our arm. What's the time? Second. So rhys task is 2.25 around to nyamni ponchi nyamni. Quick. Jyn fregwyr fwy ni sian. Cara quick Newton. Mohi. Okay, so you to carry quick Newton. Right, do you have any over Sharton? Oh, Shanae. All right, so should we drill lesson? Right, okay, excellent. Right, right. Was you okay next momentum? Was you like okay learn momentum? Do you get your league momentum? Do you title to the head top of page in a Liam?
The principle of conversation.
Dli and Chemet momentum. Right. Now, market is Dli and Chemet momentum in us, right? Right.
What's there? How many terabyte storage do you think you have in your brain?
Terabytes of storage. Well, I have not live stored as in factory. It just all depends. I got from the recall ability that will so it probably all depends on the IP and so on and so on. Right?
And is that
It's all down to memory recall.
Is that unlimited?
So that's in terms of computers, it would be memory recall. So in memory recall began in it just all depends on your own ability. Okay? And obviously head injuries don't help to math.
We learn like unlimited stuff though.
Eh?
Is there a limit how much you can learn?
No. Unlimited. You got to pull them till you got it. How you listen to you stuff going over and over again. We just said you did not well it and just like not but we just not need couple of years. They told us that I'm budget off the heart because it's just repetition. So it's for constant. Right? So like then you fold them apart. We should still fold. You know, different techniques, different classes, different digging. Question is to what that's a whole new set of skills. So they really ought to deal with that. You know. Like the relative bicycle as well, is it you fold them constantly? You know, so just when you come near the ruddy when you come near that makes it traumatic. I remember when you did coding come near stuff that's traumatic is that's a scare. Whereas everything else needs to fade away. Like you'll always remember Palmer won two, but won the run. Because the football team that won the All Ireland, you'll always remember that. When you push in your long term memory, or once robot, first time when within your robots again, when you get car, you'll always remember a kid where you get car. I guess just a panic and then a coat cover. You know, you do remember things that are traumatic. Or That's the thing, it's a different level. Every other thing is just brilliant.
Did you say you have photographic?
Actually, I definitely don't have a photographic
That'd be
memory.
great though, would it?
Oh, I'll tell you on that photographic memory. What's that, the actually lads make them hot just not some modern as for you, which is 21. But the photographic memory, yeah. That's on the past, yeah. The photographic memory, yeah. And can you go man and hope you say the most screws over? You reckon just in your word, like that process definition, so it's just very simple. But I know them all, and you don't have to have 100%. Just lay you with away. It's just the photographic memory, yes, we could see. There's a, I just watched a copy of that photograph, and there's a child there. Like, that's a gift. That's a gift. I suppose what the immersion in that photographic memory. Yeah. Because you can train yourself to have a photographic memory. Oh, it's hard, like, but you can train yourself to memorize. As a technique, so there could more techniques on to learn how to memorize it. Jersey, dóis feile ruddy coming that a or here. And that's the best way to memorize anything, is to find the end of a story. If you remember the story, you'll remember the video. Like bad we were sure how that's listed in the image in depth when you move to that. Like it's bright as only plan the whole that. We'd always draw a picture. I find it fascinating where the looks at it. Find a crown and then we'd add a note to every branch. It's on a crown you note to every branch and then you knew exactly what it was. And that's how you memorize everything. Because there's a rate to change in momentum, Newton's second law from the branch versus Newton's second law, and then we break that off into rate of momentum and the force. And then you could memorize off the branch, and there's two parts of that branch, momentum and force, and then that's how we learn. It's a craft. Machine, I just write and write and write, which equals some guy on. It's a hard, it's tough. Like we actually let all amongst it. Our pedagogy and society and all that thing. We got to put screens them on that and then outright it will be perfect things. Which equals and printed in my brain. And then it hop from touch it out of that FTD. Maybe any word we might be speaking. Height is the technique that the technique thing that will be over. The being on their visual learn, I'm a visual learner, posters, everything, we need to go more on. The being one, very rare with the thing that can learn by lesson. That's rare with the thing percent. But then you be, and they should record everything and then just listen. The height is up and off part in the learning area and part to your best technique that will be all off to have. And then the weakness is after the best option, yeah, what's the between off motion. Bang, 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 high. Yes? That's what it takes. But you comes into that Cillian, what's the best way for you to learn? Kaito, how do you study?
Yeah.
Can you just study your maths?
Yeah.
The testers. Take questions at random testers. That's the best way to study maths. Keep testing. How do you test it? Well, it ties a screw in and do shooting line, yeah. Captain or in leg. Moira, you're in school to do Moira. Chapter 1, 2, and chapter 3. 1, 2, and 3.
What's advanced maths?
Yeah?
What's advanced maths?
Applied maths. Because you might, anyway, in the shortness, you will not change the subject. Because you need the mic average subject, you can look at the end of the lesson. Right. Three and chemic momentum. Right? Now, three just three and chemic momentum. There's the impulsion at the year car. Right? Right, so guess at the gnu, so a reaction. At the gnu, the reaction at the year car. Now you small, your principal and Hamilton momentum called a momentum of one river and at the gnu. Continuation momentum om man är nej än att kniv. As när kniven en på sig charter och har det till karsen. Just always, but after what, they're going to be equal. Right, so if there's no external forces, then the momentum before is equal to the momentum. Essentially inherent momentum. Okay, which is again, so three inherent momentum, okay, a momentum reve, cognition momentum there. Honey champion. From my to Sam while I didn't ask, instantly inherent momentum, actually go right, I know that's one from momentum on man reve, and a degree with cognition momentum on man, and ye, and a degree. As no one forces shafter a goblet around call. That's it. Which nigga? Which I got?
No.
Right? So it's a momentum on man Revan and Wordship, or not in Wordship, but Revan and Edward Navy. Cognition momentum on man Navy and Edward Navy. Okay? As no forces shafter.
Who's after that there?
It's a yellow box. Every yellow box has a report. Okay? So just quite calculation.
The yellow boxes,
This is text show 234.
all are actually.
Every single definition has to be done off the house. Huh? Yeah,
Is
yeah.
this test?
Should you like him on? He's no.
What should it roughly?
20%.
5%, isn't it?
Yeah. One in every five.
That's good.
One in every five. So we have a 50 definitions need.
Test.
Nice, it's good.
Very easy.
Yeah. Like I catch more, passion and I catch more or the leaving certain that definition. Every large space has a definition. Worth 6 marks. Worth 6 marks. Particularly worth 3, which is 1% of your exam. It all adds up. It's worth half a 15 to 20% of your overall exam is definition. Okay? When he gets the definition, then because the maths in, well, it should be able to do that. Right, anyway, taking on initially inherent momentum.
What's after the momentum?
In the degree, Aston agree with the forces shafter and quadrus. So ten momentum on land driven, agree with cosmic momentum on linear, and agree with add is that what forces shafter over and quadrus. Add is no work. DHFID add. Watt, nothing watt. Add FHID. Add is no work forces shafter over and quadrus. Okay? Forces are external forces. Don't there's no external forces. For example, here's some bomber check. Okay, short-term in experiments, momentum. What a year trolley of Right, out the trolley onto the set. Right? Yeah, carbon. Right. Short part doesn't show. Right? Yeah, so you get driving test. Hard to call that.
Driving test was
Take driving lesson. Right? Hard to call that. Chat. Complete panics.
oh.
The car road, doesn't know to do, turns a horse and accelerator and lets it brake. Bang. Spoken in here. Now, the momentum for the car. Zero. Zero momentum from this is stop. But there's also like 10 meters per second. With a velocity of 10 meters per second and there's a mass of the car over 500 kg, no, it'll be 5,000 kg. 5 tons. That's a heavy car,
That's
right?
a lorry, don't
No,
you?
that's a lorry, yeah, it's a ton. Take a more, take a ton of car, 1,500 kg, right, so you have 1,500 kg going at 10 meters per second, what's the momentum? 1,500 by 10, so it's 150. 150, 1,500 is 15,000. 15,000 kg. What's the momentum? kilograms per kilograms of meter per second. Kilogram meter per second, right? Now, so that's the total momentum before the collision. So the total momentum before rubber collision is 15,000 kilograms meter per second. Now, talking about here, what's the momentum after the collision? Exact same. But what happens to the mass? Right, so after growing mass building the aircraft, mass double, so what happens to the velocity? It halves. Yes. Because there's no external forces. Now, what's the external forces? Hence the kilowatt and the external force that governs in the force of gravity. That's one external force. You can live answer. Friction. Friction of all tires having friction. I guess we can why I'm in a good air resistance. So to put more external forces to go over you can chip. But if there's no external, if my in with the arm then the force is sharper, then the momentum before will always equal the momentum after. Which no key down. Alright? Right. Very straightforward. We good? Right. At least in this when you come nearly I'm trying to get that test and you might remember momentum before you remember last. Yeah? Right. So what this is showing a short formula. Now the good news is the formula short is the in the door heavily. And you play out the old the short formula. So momentum, brevin and boiling. So before the collision so it equally can be momentum is mass by velocity. So U is the initial velocity. So momentum gain mass of the body 1 by the power less gain plus mass cork dot I guess less every dot cosma momentum the Y equals the momentum after. Okay? Well and then you okay that's it. So momentum before equals momentum after. The Y cork just because obviously something must collide what? Something has to collide with something. Which is okay. Now the rate momentum before equals momentum after. Now, experiment. So at least the experiment again. Again, we chose the lab and weather. Or that. Oh, then we chose the Seagull land physics. Right, so again, we the experiment show weather. Listen to you now, the take your time or take your shot. We go listen to come from step. Right? Step. Gunshot, linear track, I guess just stick like from the winding and others covered weights and we transfer the weight. Which is okay. Yeah, machines are strong and weather. Violent child and Maxi and the news. Violent child and Maxi and the news to bring you to take color rate. So, the delay and chemical momentum I'll read. Now, Martin McGill said, take your time or take. Now, then you get Dr. Medalton, Trollers, Hossie, Obrima, it's Dr. Medalton, Trollers, Jerry Obrima, and hence Medalton, the Obrima. That is, mass by velocity equals mass by velocity before and after should equal. Okay? Huh? We take your time, it takes us through the journal. Oh no, look, when you're playing that you only had the you wrote it that just like your horse in the destiny. You should like after you shouldn't screw to the castle and they were alright, but I won't find it. So there's mention everything. Let's go hoping if that's what you said to it. No, I'm not right. But anyway, now, sin gerin yn noti, sin gerin yn noti o'r siarad. Sin not yn y gerin nesyn yn y cysni mathematics. Now, the yard sampling sin hyd yr hyn yw free for customers that cysni with the hyn G quid J. Now, the good news is, sin hyn gyda nwy, a hynny'n yna hyn gyda quid J. Okay? Si siarad?
Crack better than Washington.
The crack?
Crack better than Washington.
Down for Ross. Higlar Roshin go ní hart in níos. No comment Roshin, no. Right. Record the short list. Okay, so Kiss over the Heen. The P cosma MV. So these to shin cosma mass. The RT8 Jin Lewis Vega,
20
Fihi Matters a second. Okay, so we should dead figure da Shejig Mila kilogram matter sa second. Okay, agus sin ceiste over he. Right, Daniel, lay more ceiste over the daughter.
What is the momentum of the car of mass 1,200 kg taking up the velocity of A 30 meters a second?
The couple parts in short, right, okay. So A. So P cosma MV, reach in mass, mille yahid kilogram. Agus Lewis, troha, to B. So midi fa troha. So just question stand the calculator is behar the 3 wheel she. A troha mille B. Kilogram matters the second. Right, JV funny B. Jin Lewis V B. 0. So frigere 0 kilogram matters a second. Agus part Russian. Jivin C. Oh right, so kite we kurmalashan. Now the kid kilometer suwa cosma kid mile matter had a 3 wheel she hit. So usually very shin that could usually fisa short punchy short hours na way. Matters a second. Okay, so next to P cosma mille yahid made if a piece of short punchy short to arc with the just a calculator. So you to 3 at 3 mille 3 hit troha she kilogram matters a second. Right, what's in the yarn in you? Yeah. Jam was recorded, we reached. Okay, right. Shouldn't catch the dot. Right, Ram G catch over the 3. Right.
What is the total momentum of a mass of 3 or 4?
3 had we.
An object with a momentum of 40,000 kilogram matter per second. What is the speed of the object if its mass is 5,000 kg? What would the speed be if its mass was 2 kg?
Right, so P equals MV, so to M, or just me to the V in a bit, so V cosma P is gone M, so Jim momentum we get 40,000 anyway.
Yeah, 40,000.
It's Jim mass
12,000.
12,000 or 1200. 100? Okay, so to caramile, ranter, doig, head, I guess you to Kate is kind of 3, which is 33.33. Matters the second. Is you okay, Lashan? Yeah? Now, do you allow to check in down the parting question? What is the Oh, it was 2 kg. Alright, so to V cosma P is gonna which the cosma caramile is gonna da. So figure for you sen. Fihe mile. Matters a second. Okay, so sin part over the 3. Right, from G kissed over the K. Right, Lee mark here.
What is the total momentum of a mass 20 kg moving with a velocity of 40 meters per second?
Right, so momentum cosma. So can 40 kg be 20 kg 40 meters per second be. I guess the canale
15 kg
in the opposite direction. So shouldn't equal to shab minus because they're going in the opposite direction. So you do R8 minus mille. So frigere you do minus yahid. Kilogram matters the second. So frigere is so frigere bikurumala shot. So frigere is the momentum omlan cosma yahid kilogram. Not minus, but yahid kilogram matters the second carne a draw and carp GV 50 kilogram be a draw carp we get kilogram in the direction of this body. So you can do because the negative is greater than the positive. Which in positive, which in the direction of the 40 kg. Do you get you? Okay. So, yen check here fast. The gear out, must meet this. With a short travel out, 20 meters per second short travel. And the kind of wine is coming and down. And the heavier one will have the most momentum. And therefore, the right and back, we should in the direction of the strongest, the heaviest, obviously. Oh, I'm a video even watching or TikTok. I was not so much how I'm on my phone now. I play how actually being that saved.
No,
No, I saved it.
I'll be under your account. Under your profile. Under your profile and it'll be under your
Nasby or you Nasby or Facebook release or TikTok.
Yeah, I know how to use it.
But watch the video, I'll explain it to you, and I thought, Jesus, it's brilliant for the momentum. But the lorry motion, right? Like Arctic lorry, right? I guess the trailer, open trailer, I guess the sheets more steel. He's back to trailer again. I guess he's a god fairly gas it, I guess kind of knees to G Johnson and slammed on the brakes. When the sheets straight through the car, probably killed. You think I scream, Michael? What are you laughing at? Probably killed it. So, the lorry chart for sure, it just goes to show you again in momentum. It's a great example of momentum. So, because it's in a trailer, big lorry, the trailer that's, I guess, in the cab lorry version. The hay station with sheets more steel than joy, yeah. So there is a chum out, he slammed on, this leaking way flat. So there is a chum out, he slammed on the brakes and like a G red light. Then there's stop shot when the sheets straight through the car and totally destroyed the car and probably killed himself and then passed it. Got the video, I'd say he was killed. Like, not a great video to watch, but it is just a brilliant video to show momentum. He was fairly going and then he slammed on the brakes and zero shot cannon cases. Actually, we banned the honey western naki longse. That's all. So just so that you know, it's not. We banned, like, we should have been cheap. I think she was in her early 20s. I guess because she was killed in a car accident. How was she killed? She was killed by a jam jar. He's the backseat car. She's got the shop, how she put the jam, set the backseat. She Thomas is in, well, she car and handed the jam jar. What the momentum? Both backseat was a good idea. I still know headrest, I don't know what happened, but well, it's a good idea, or else it came from the side. I guess well, she's so idea and tell her. But at least you should never have anything loose from the backseat of the car. Okay, which is really it's just momentum. You shouldn't actually, she buys to develop the chicano because in the so Janka lodged in her head.
You try to align the axes with the table so they're equal to behind the table. The axes, the axes
are made up of 99.9% space.
Oh yeah, actually, so I do that and then align properly.
After you're in line, yeah.
In my hand?
Your actions in your hand must be aligned. Everything must be aligned. Right, Islam, upper ball funny, full physics and what going. Right, funny the cadeny, cleaning the casting, Siskaji, quit jig. Okay,